It's refreshing to find a product that genuinely impresses every so often with both its performance and its price. The YOKATV IPX1 is precisely that device. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice about the YOKATV IPX1 is its tiny footprint. This is a device designed to blend seamlessly into your entertainment center, not dominate it. Its sleek, black, quadrangular design is both modern and understated. A quick look around the unit reveals a thoughtful selection of ports. On the back, you get everything you need: IR, AV, Ethernet, HDMI 2.1, SPDIF, and the power connector. The side houses a convenient USB 2.0 port and a micro SD card slot, allowing you to expand storage for apps and media. The included remote control is also a pleasant surprise. It's a hybrid Bluetooth and infrared remote, which means you don't always need a direct line of sight. It even has a built-in microphone for Google Voice commands, making searching for your next movie night pick incredibly simple. A streaming box is only as good as its processor, and the YOKATV IPX1 is equipped with the capable Amlogic S905Y4 chipset. This quad-core ARM Cortex-A35 CPU, paired with an ARM G31 MP2 GPU, provides more than enough muscle for a smooth 4K streaming experience at up to 60 frames per second. Combined with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of eMMC storage, navigating the interface and switching between apps is snappy and responsive. Video format support is robust, covering modern codecs like AV1, H.265, and VP9. The IPX1 also handles various HDR formats, including HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG, ensuring your content looks vibrant and dynamic on compatible TVs. Powering on the IPX1 reveals a clean and intuitive homepage. Running on Android 11, the layout feels very familiar and is easy to navigate, with sections for your favorite apps, a full app drawer, and quick access to system settings at the bottom. One of the features I particularly enjoy is the ability to customize the background. The device comes with a gallery of beautiful wallpapers, from cityscapes to serene nature scenes, allowing you to personalize the look and feel of your home screen. You can even use your own custom images or a URL for the ultimate personal touch. Speaking of apps, the IPX1 is a dream for those who value freedom and flexibility. Out of the box, you have access to the Google Play Store, but the real power comes from its ability to easily sideload third-party applications. Using a simple tool like Downloader, which you can get from the Play Store, you can install a vast array of apps not available through official channels. This opens up a world of entertainment possibilities and makes the YOKATV IPX1 a future-proof solution in an ever-changing streaming landscape. The YOKATV IPX1 shines as an IPTV device. The preloaded YOKATV Online application is a standout feature, offering support for popular protocols like Stalker, Extreme, and M3U. This makes setting up your existing IPTV services straightforward. The performance is solid, handling live streams in high definition without stuttering or excessive buffering, making it a reliable choice for cord cutters. In terms of connectivity, the IPX1 is well equipped. It features dual-band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi 5 2T2R, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 100 megabits per second Ethernet port. The YOKATV IPX1 is an entry-level model that delivers smooth 4K playback at an affordable price. It's perfect for everyday entertainment, IPTV, and online video streaming. If you're looking for a reliable streaming device that won't break the bank, IPX1 is a solid choice. For those who need more power for multitasking and apps, YOKATV also offers the IPX2. In a crowded market, the YOKATV IPX1 distinguishes itself with its compact design, powerful performance, and unique dual UI feature. It's a versatile and affordable streaming box that offers a fantastic viewing experience.